Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Thursday, April 7th. U.S. stock futures are pointing to modest gains at the open, as investors focus on economic data, Europe's monetary policy, and news from the retail sector. On the economic front, it's the weekly jobless claims numbers. We'll bring you the results of that report and the market reaction after the opening bell. Meanwhile, European Central Bank President Jean-Claude Trichet is holding a press conference right now, following the ECB's first interest rate hike since 2008. The bank raised its key refi rate from 1 to 1.25% as EU officials try to cool off inflation pressures and deal with its ongoing debt crisis. The move was widely expected, as was the Bank of England's decision to leave its key lending rate unchanged at a historic low. The UK is trying to balance persistently high inflation with a shaky economic outlook.
The interest rate decisions from the ECB and Bank of England are drawing investors' attention away from the latest news on Europe's sovereign debt crisis. Last night, Portugal finally asked for international assistance to help meet its debt obligations. The move was widely expected since last month, when Parliament rejected a fourth round of austerity measures, forcing Portugal's Prime Minister to resign. Then yesterday, the country was forced to pay extremely high interest on a sale of debt, and the yield on 10-year Portuguese government bonds rose above 9%, well above the threshold viewed as sustainable. Now traders say Portugal's bailout could cost the European Union and International Monetary Fund about 80 billion euros, compared to the 85 billion for Ireland and 110 billion for Greece. And many experts think more dominoes will fall, with Spain being the next likely candidate.
Following Portugal's request for a bailout and the ECB's interest rate hike this morning, the euro is losing ground against the US dollar. But despite the dollar's rise, commodity prices haven't lost any of their momentum. Crude oil is holding steady near $109 a barrel amid continued unrest in several oil-producing nations across the Middle East and North Africa. And precious metals continue to make history as investors search for safe havens. Gold is now trading above $1,460 an ounce after settling at another record high yesterday. And silver is rising again, closing in on the psychologically important $40 mark.
On the corporate front, retailers are grabbing the headlines as they release their March same-store sales figures. Among some of the early winners are Costco Wholesale, which just reported a 13% jump in sales, and Limited Brands, which saw its monthly results rise 14%. Both of those stocks are gaining about 2% in pre-market trading on the news. But the news isn't all good. Same-store sales at Target fell 5.5%, and Gap reported a 10% decline. Elsewhere in the retail sector, shares of Bed Bath & Beyond are surging more than 10%. After yesterday's closing bell, the home furnishings chain posted a 25% increase in quarterly profit, topping Wall Street estimates. Following the news, Oppenheimer boosted its price target on the stock from $51 to $58 a share. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic data and market reaction.